One of Martin Luther King's most famous quotes is that the arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice. We've chosen that quote as the theme of our luncheon this year because to us it summarizes so eloquently the civil rights struggle. The idea that on the one hand the fight is long and difficult and not without its setbacks, but at the same time that sense of optimism that we're on the side of right and that we will eventually prevail in our struggle for equal rights and civil justice. We're particularly pleased this year to be able to give the corporate courage recognition to a law firm and two businesses that have taken on a key civil rights challenge in a very innovative way. One of the significant civil rights issues that we face in the 21st century is the over-incarceration of communities of color. And we at the Lawyers Committee have taken on that issue in many different ways, including in looking at re-entry issues, how folks who are exiting the criminal justice system are able to reintegrate successfully into their communities. The two corporations that we are recognizing, Give Something Back Office Supplies and D&B Painting, are two of the businesses that have really stepped up to hire folks who are exiting the criminal justice system and who have really been leaders in allowing that untapped talent to flourish.
We're in Oakland. It's a very diverse community, and you'll find that diversity represented in the workforce here. We've had 3 or 4 just excellent employees out of our distribution center in San Leandro that came to us with criminal records. Given the opportunity for a job that pays a decent wage, that allows them to raise their kids, provide for their families, they become very productive citizens. And they're still with us. They're great employees.
As a business, I feel it's important to reach out and to be open to hiring the formerly incarcerated. But I'm finding that the workforce that I'm utilizing, many of the individuals have prior offenses that will affect them being able just to be employed and to provide for their family. I think that's a travesty. They served their time, they paid their dues, and they should have an opportunity to work and provide for their families and contribute to the community and to society as a whole.
Morgan Lewis, the law firm that we are recognizing today, has stepped up to the plate and come up with an innovative advice and counsel role in order to be able to advise businesses about employing folks who are exiting the criminal justice system.
The focus of our work was really to help educate employers to the rules and laws around hiring of persons that had criminal backgrounds and encouraging them to give people a fair chance. This is an issue that is not confined to what we might all think is some very, very small percentage of the population. It's actually a significantly high percentage of the population. And given that, I don't think we as a society can relegate those people to the never again employed status and sort of give them a black mark. They need to be able to have the same ability to earn a living and have a job as everyone else.